Hello and welcome. This time I'm in Central North India, and in the today content I want to show you that's a very ground report. And if you people are the first time ever watching, please subscribe and press the bell icon. That's very knowledgeable. If you are a student, if you are a college goer, if you are a university goer, or maybe either concerns with any kind of the profession you have a life, and maybe like a business person, please watch. It's very knowledgeable. So this time I want to show the people, the man who is very energetic. And the last couple of days I was covered the videos in concerning the national language, the Hindi, and he was interviewed the first time ever in my YouTube channel. First time ever having no such technological knowledge and ever in his life. But he was still in education institutions teaching like a Hindi subject, and which I have a concern since couple of weeks. And this time I want to cover the footages which is concerns from the laboratory, the computer laboratory, which is doing and handling the first time ever the Microsoft Paint, which the man having at the age of the 30 above, which has no any absolute technological knowledge, but he has changed. And since yesterday he has improved a few more steps, having coloring, having drawing randomly different kinds of the pictures in a Microsoft Word. So right, I want to show you the footages. So let's ahead on the video content. Right now he is a man who was interviewed in the first time that ever on a YouTube channel you people may watched. And absolutely he has no any knowledge of the technology since here, and right since yesterday he has handling the Microsoft Paint, which is learning to use the mouse clearly, and how to holding and how to move the cursor and how to draw the picture on the computer screen. So right, let's see. Here in this screen he has drawn his own name by picking the pictures, like picking the pencil and the big size of the pencil, and he has drawing the lines above the alphabet, and he has wrote here his own name and the places where he settled in Hindi language. It's been a great chances to the learning and having opportunities, and people must see the age of the 30 above having no any such kind of absolute the technological knowledge. He's still learning, and the first time ever from the ground root level he is covering from starting the Microsoft Paint. And whenever he improved within the 2 or 3 days, I would have been skipped him to learning the typing in the Microsoft Word. And then if he cover these all the steps within a week, I would have been take him into Microsoft Excel, and then more such a software which officially require for maintaining all the data and everything. So right, seeing at sitting in a computer lab, he is drawing, and right this time installing on a 3 system still, and 2 system has been closed because there is no any learner. But still Mr. Abhay Kumar has been sitting and drawing some drawing on a Microsoft Paint, which is very awesome, and that's very knowledgeable to the students, to the peoples who has no any absolute knowledge, but still doing his awesome some ground reports. So well, at the end guys, I want to show you this thing, and which people have seen. Please, I request, if you people are the first time ever watching, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon along with, and stay in tune, watch all the videos which has very knowledgeable and curability. So well guys, this is the time where it is a sign up, and the next time we will continue with this such awesome videos which has really been really awesome some content. Till then, have a great day and enjoy the further life. Get boom.